How to post an Instagram story from your PC or laptop. Even though Instagram's desktop website has limited features, you can still upload a story by switching to the mobile view in your browser. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Instagram website. Log into your Instagram account if you haven't already. Now, right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. Alternatively, press Ctrl+Shift+I on Windows or Command+Option+I on a Mac to open the browser's developer tools. Now, look at the top of the developer tools and click the Toggle Device toolbar icon. It looks like a small phone and tablet. You can also press Ctrl+Shift+M on Windows or Command+Option+M on Mac to enable the mobile device toolbar. The web page will now switch to the mobile view. Next, click the Responsive drop-down menu at the top and choose an iPhone model. Using an iPhone profile usually provides the best compatibility. After selecting the device, refresh the Instagram page. This step is important because it reloads Instagram with the mobile interface. Once the page reloads, look for the plus icon and click it. Then click on Story. Now, choose the photo you want to upload from your computer. After the image loads, you can add basic text if the option is available. Keep in mind that desktop story uploads don't support all Instagram features. Options like music, stickers, GIFs, polls, links, filters, and interactive effects may not be available. When you're ready, click Share Story to upload the image. If the upload indicator remains on the screen, wait a few moments and then refresh the page to confirm that your story has been posted successfully. If you see the message, rotate your device to add story, this is due to a recent Instagram update.
In that case, the browser method is currently restricted for your account, and you may need to use the Instagram mobile app or another supported method to upload stories. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.